They'll understand you soon, it won't be long. Keep on running. Running and running.
Harvesting of blue ternate flower.
Hello mga ka-Stella! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video guys, ay gagawa tayo ng napakasustansyang recipe that you will surely love, especially to those who are health conscious. Ang gagawin nating recipe, ang tawag dito is Instant Immunity Booster upang palakasin ng ating immune system. At lalo na ngayon na kagagaling ko lang sa ubo, kasi protection din to, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, marami nagkakasakit ng trangkaso, ubo, tsaka sipon. Magiging protection din tong instant immunity booster guys. So, let's start! All we need is banana and flower of blue ternate. Kung meron kayong blender guys, much better. Pero kung wala naman, optional lang yon. Pwede naman gamitin yung tinidor pang mash ng saging. The first thing we need to do is to peel off the banana. And we will put it here sa Nutri-Bullet. Ayan. And then I will cut the banana into pieces. Ayan siya guys. And then pour some water. Then put the blue ternate flower. Then turn the Nutri-Bullet on. Then pour it into the glass. Put some hot water. Then haluin ito. At takpan ito sa loob ng 5 hanggang 10 minuto. After 5 to 10 minutes, tanggalin na ang takip at isalin ito. Salain itong maigi upang makuha natin ang katas mula sa saging at sa bulaklak ng blue ternate. As you can see guys, sumalo na ang kulay ng bulaklak sa tubig, which is the good source of nutrients. Aside from being delicious and nutritious, there are a lot of health benefits that we can get from a banana. One of these are nagpapalakas ng ating katawan, nagpapagaling ng sakit na may kinalaman sa sikmura, vitamin C and vitamin B6, at iba pa. Bukod sa napakagandang kulay nito, ang blue ternate ay nagtataglay ng napakaraming health benefits, gaya ng nagpapalakas ito ng immune system, nakakapagpapayat at nakakapagpatalas ng isip, antioxidant at anti-aging na rin, and etc. So, di ba guys, ang dami niyang health benefits. Ngayon naman ay maglagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon honey para pampalasa. Then nilagyan ko siya guys ng milk. Then this is the finished product. Nakakatulong ito upang palakasin ang ating immune system, pampatalas ng ating memory, anti-stress, at mabisa rin ito para sa mga may depression or anxiety. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you like it. So if you do, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod kong videos. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you again to my next videos.